Hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss creating a table in HTML. Okay, a table is made up of rows and columns. Okay, I will show you exactly in Word application. Okay, so this is one of the table. Now in that table there are three number of rows. See, this is a first row one, this is another second, and this is a third row. Okay, so there are three number of rows. Okay, three rows. And how many number of columns? Yes, right, one, two, three, and four. There are four number of columns. Okay, now how to implement such type of table in HTML, how to create. Okay, if I add any text inside table, that is called as a table data. For example, A, then AB, then ABC, ABCD. Okay, okay, so this is for what? To understanding purpose. Okay, assume it's a table data. Okay, now A alphabet, which is in one for particular cell, this box. Okay, this box is called as particular cell, CELL. Okay, CELL, which is intersect by row and column. Okay, this is one cell, this is another cell, this is third cell, this is this one is a fourth cell. Okay, so how many number of cell in one row? Yes, exactly, four number of cell. Okay, how many cells? Four cell, CELLS. Okay, so this is just a basic. Okay, if I add any type of text like table example. Okay, table example. Okay, similar to that, if I want to add such type of text behavior, such type of appearance on HTML, then see how to implement in Notepad application, because Notepad is one of the text editor, right? Notepad is what? One of the text editor. So first line is obviously document declaration, doc type declaration, HTML. The next line is HTML tag, then head tag, title, close title. Inside title, you can use creating a table concept. Okay, sorry. Then after that, close head section. Then next what? Body section. Inside body section, let me complete structure and then I will explain it how to implement. See, inside heads body section, I'm going to add exact table. Table is a pair type of tag. Table is what? Pair type of tag. It is made up of rows and columns. In a web page, it's created by using table tag, which is container tag. It is also called as a container. The tags and its attribute used to create table. Okay, so table is a pair type of tag. How it is called as a table pair type of tag? Why? Because one is open tag and another one is a close tag. Okay, so that's why it's called as a pair type of tag. Okay, now why it's called as a container? Because which contains subtags like caption. Caption is a subtag. Okay, caption, what is the purpose of caption tag? Caption, it is used to specify a table heading. It has a align attribute which can have top, bottom, and its as its value. Top is a default value. Okay, so I just type table example. Okay, then next tag name is tr. What is the purpose of tr? I will show you one by one concept. See, first tag name is what? Table tag. Okay, table tag to create table, right? Next tag name is what? Let me add proper numbering. Okay, and next tag name is caption. Caption tag. Next tag name is tr. Now what is the purpose of tr? To make row. Okay, to make what? Table row. Okay, fine, to make table row. So I'm going to add tr. Okay, tr is also pair type of tag. Now inside tr I'm going to add number of cells. So how many number of cell in one row? Please check. 2, 3 and 4, right? So next concept name is table data, td tag. Okay, to make table cell. Okay, so how many number of tag required in one row? If there are 4 number of cell, then definitely it require 4 td tags. Okay, I'm going to add td sets. Okay, this is a 1. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, this is a opening and closing td, opening and closing another td, second, this is the one, third one, this is a fourth one, right? Now inside first cell, now see what exactly in first cell? A, alphabet A. Okay, so just put a, capital A. Okay, nothing else, opening and closing A. Okay, td. Now another having a, b, so just put exact table content, cell content ab. Now another cell having a, b, c, so just put a, b and c. Now here check carefully, a, b, c, d. A is small, so simply I'm going to enter a, b, c, d. Okay, now this is a first row, there is no any other column. This is the ending part, right? Now start another row. Okay, second row having no any type of content. Let me add some content like 1, or any 1, two, three and four 4. Okay, right? If I enter 5, then 6, 6, then 7 and 8, EIGHT. Okay, this is just example, this is just we can say content, nothing else, to understand how it looks like data, how look like into table. Okay, so as simply as 1. So now how to add another row? Again we require what? Tr tag. Tr is a pair type of tag. Okay, tr is a pair type of tag. Now inside tr 1 td, and now inside td, now second row start. Okay, there is a one text. Okay, so just put one and then close td, that's it. Okay, again td open, then now you get exactly two, td close. The next td, td table data, And now now inside td 3 three then next what, again we are going to use td. Now inside td I'm going to add another text for four td clothes. So in this way you can add many number of rows, but there are only three rows, 1 2 and 3, right? Now third row start. If I want to start third row, then yes, exactly, we have to add tr open, td tag open, and next five 5. Okay, clothes slash td means close td, right? Then td open six td clothes, right? Next td open seven 7 close td, and then next cell, last cell having 8 text eight 8 close td, and finally I'm going to close tr because tr is a pair type of tag. Okay, and after that, after closing, after completing all rows, table must be closed. So this is a table. Now everyone knows about this. I want to save this document. Okay, now you can store anywhere. Okay, in your computer directory, computer drive. Okay, or any directory location. I'm going to add into I folder in my for 11 class and just create new folder for this document, creating a table. Okay, uh, table concept, and enter file name like table.html. Now here again .html is extension of HTML document, and table is what? Here table is a file name. Okay, and if I click on save, then simply it's saved in drive iDrive. Okay, and select, I'm going to select for 11th, and here the table concept. If I double click on that table, then displays exact output. Okay, we have to put proper border, then it will show exactly. Let me add attribute inside table tag border is equal to 1. If I save this and execute, then see what happened. A B ABC ABCD 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, you can use it looks like differently. Let me zoom out. See what happened. 25. If I use width attribute inside this, width is equal to 50%, then displays like word application. See here ABCD. Okay, in this way you can create tabular, you can manage tabular information in HTML document. Okay, there are different type of attributes. Okay, how to use attribute? By giving space. You know our basic thing, we already discussed in the previous one, so that's why I directly add attribute inside table. Okay, now use of td. What is the use of td? It specifies data within the table, which is called as a cell content. Okay, so these are content. Okay, a to eight 8. Okay, these are what? Table content. Okay, now one more tag, that is a that is th tag. Th means table heading. It indicates table heading. It is generally used for first row column content of the table. It displays content in the bold format. It can be replaced with td. It can be replaced with td. See, if I want to add proper heading for table, okay, for example, like this, I want write column 1. Okay, column 1, sorry, column 2, the next column 3, and column 4. Okay, column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. So how to put such type of text? Simply, I want to replace this first row. Okay, replace करायला लागेल मला, right? tr is what? Pair type of tag. So that's why I'm going to add opening and closing tr. Now inside tr, I want to replace td, so directly use th. Okay, now I have to check which one is a first cell. See, first cell is column 1, so directly put column 1. And if I th close, then see what happened. After th, I want to copy this and just paste it over it. T2, close th. Okay, then th open, column number 3, th close. Is as simple as that. Okay, there is no any difficult part. Okay, th. Okay, so how many times repeat th? 4 times. Why? Because in that row, first row having 4 cell. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4, right? If I save this and if I refresh using F5, then see what I want. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. See, th has inbuilt bold behavior, as well as it shows in center alignment. It shows center alignment into the particular box, particular cell. Okay, hope you understand how to work with table. This is very simple. See, you can I will show exactly. See, so in this way you can create table in HTML. It's very simple. In next lecture we discuss about attributes of table, attributes of tr, th, and all type of subtags. Okay, take care, bye bye, and happy coding. Okay.